Hey guys, so we have an unboxing and a first look at the Acer Chromebook 15. So seems like a great deal for only a few $100. And quick look at the box. So pretty basic, just a brown box. And let's open it up. So guys, my laptop broke and I need to get a new one. Now this computer has a backlit keyboard and a 15-inch screen. Alright, so right on top we got a way to contact Acer. And we have the Chromebook itself. Pretty lightweight. And looks like just some books and stuff. And I'm assuming the charger as well. Yep. So we got the charger and the adapter. Alright guys, so let's get to the Chromebook. Now this version has the backlit keyboard on it. So that was one of the main reasons I got it. Definitely pretty nice looking. Does not feel like it costs $350. So let me just open it up right there. Yeah guys, I'm really liking the look of it. So we have kind of big bezels on the side, but aside from that, it looks pretty nice. Alright, so it's powered on. Now, just to be clear, this is a Chrome operating system and it's not Windows. So, advantages and disadvantages for that. Okay, so I'm going to put in my info here and I'll be back in a few. Okay guys, so I've never been a Chromebook user before. I've always been a Windows user. But I have to say, I really like this. So, I really like it both in terms of the hardware and the software. Now, in terms of the hardware, it has a really nice feel to it. It has an aluminum build and looks really beautiful. It's pretty thin and lightweight. And you guys see that the keys are backlit. And also we have speakers here on the side, right there and right there. Okay, so given the price, I really like the hardware for it. Now, in terms of the software, so it's really two things. One, again, guys, it's a trackpad, and it's kind of inverse, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but I'm sure I can adjust it. So, of course, you can go up and down, left and right. And being able to use the touchscreen is also really nice. So, you can pinch to zoom. And then, of course, scroll up, scroll down, wherever. Hey guys, okay, so just keep in mind it's definitely not perfect, but it is still pretty good. You guys saw right there was a little hiccup. But I did make an exception this time for free. Press right there. Hey guys, so very exciting, we have a giveaway here courtesy of Sony. So yeah, it's not the best, there are some faults with it. And that's the same for the trackpad. So again, this is not Windows, but it's not all that much different. I mean, if you have Android, then you'll definitely be really familiar with it. So, for example, we have the Google Play Store. And I mean, you guys see right here we have like Microsoft Word, Excel, stuff like that. I don't think it's the regular version of it, but it's still pretty good to have it. So I haven't downloaded this stuff yet, but I imagine I'll be using this a lot more than the Windows Store. And obviously the UI is pretty simple. Now, of course, there are some downsides. For example, the specs, really not that impressive. Only 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes internal storage, which again, guys, really not that good. But of course, this is not a regular PC. I'm not going to be doing my video editing on this, stuff like that. So keep in mind, this is really a cloud-based computer. So first thoughts, I really like it, guys, both in terms of the hardware and the software. And for 350 bucks, I would recommend it. But of course, I do have to use it a lot more going forward. And I will do a full review on it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about it.